Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will help you fix your Toyota Sienna's automatic door. First, let's start with some basic checks. Always begin by looking for any obstructions in the door's path or along the tracks. Next, locate and inspect the door's fuse in the fuse box. A blown fuse is a common culprit. Also, confirm that the automatic door switch is engaged. These simple steps can often resolve many common door issues quickly and easily, saving you time and effort. Now, let's tackle some common problems. Often, the door simply needs lubrication. Apply a silicone-based spray to the tracks and rollers to ensure smooth operation. Dirty sensors can also cause issues, so gently clean them with a soft cloth. If these don't work, try resetting the system by disconnecting the vehicle's battery for about 10 minutes. Finally, visually inspect the door cables for any signs of wear or incorrect tension. If the simpler fixes haven't worked, it's time for more advanced troubleshooting. Listen for any unusual noises from the door motor, which could indicate a failing component. You might also need to test the door's control module to ensure it's receiving and sending proper electrical signals. Carefully examine the wiring harness for any loose connections or visible damage. Sometimes, replacing worn-out rollers or guide pins can make a significant difference in door performance. To keep your automatic door working flawlessly, regular maintenance is key. Make it a habit to clean and lubricate the door tracks and all moving parts every few months. Always avoid manually forcing the door open or closed, as this can damage the motor or mechanism. Periodically check and clean the door's safety sensors. Addressing minor issues promptly will prevent them from escalating into more significant and costly repairs down the road.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.